In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default image size dimension on GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. Select on the left side where it says Default Image. And on the right side, if you want to adjust the default image, you can change it here by pixels. Or you can click the drop down and adjust it to image, millimeters, or other units of measurement. And then once you're done making your changes, select OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.